Dengan lafaz Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, saya merasmikan Majlis Penyampaian Anugerah Kecemerlangan kali ke-25 Sekolah Seni Pintar dengan lafaz Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kerahkanlah tenagamu dan juga fikiran, korbankanlah hartamu sekalipun jiwa raga, berjuang membebaskan Palestin yang tercinta. Wahai para pejuang, marilah ke hadapan, kerahkanlah tenagamu dan juga fikiran, korbankanlah para pencinta keadilan, jangan gentar berjuang bersama. Kezaliman yang bermaharajalela kita gempur hingga ke hujungnya. Ayo bersatu demi Palestin, bersama kita berjuang untuk Palestin. Tak kira walau diancam senjata, kerana Allah kita marah. Berjuang marilah ke hadapan, kerahkanlah tenagamu dan juga fikiran, korbankanlah hartamu sekalipun jiwa raga, berjuang membebaskan Palestin yang tercinta. Wahai para pencinta keadilan, jangan gentar berjuang bersama. Kezaliman yang bermaharajalela kita gempur hingga ke hujungnya. Hentikanlah penderitaan dan juga kezaliman, kembalikanlah keamanan di bumi impian. Berdoa kepada Ilahi agar Palestin akan merdeka, kekal sentosa selamanya. Bersatu demi Palestin, bersama kita
fight tyranny, I'll break the shackles holding me. If we can reach the stars above, even though they seem so far, we'll change your world, we'll overcome. Revolution starts with me. In the face of evil, the way of danger, yeah, I will be strong. Yeah, the storm clouds are coming and no, we ain't running, yeah, we'll fight on. And I will say, oh, 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 freedom, be free. And I will say, oh, 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 I'll fight for you and me. And I will say, oh, 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 God made me free. And I will say, oh, 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 ain't nobody gonna take that from me, oh no. If we stay silent, we'll see injustice spreading wide. When freedom calls, I'll be there. Stand by my side, it's our time to fly. I'll stand my ground till my voice is found. It's either death or liberty. Oh Lord above, give us strength and grant us victory. In the face of evil, the way of danger, yeah, I will be strong. Yeah, the storm clouds are coming and no, we ain't running, yeah, we'll fight on. And I will say, oh, 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 freedom, be free. And I will say, oh, 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 I'll fight for you and me. And I will say, oh, 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 God made me free.
Yeah.
And I will say, oh, oh, oh,
It ain't nobody
gonna take that from me, oh no.
God made me free, so who's gonna stop me? I give my wealth, my life, cause it's my destiny. I was born to fight it, come on, let's stand together. Make the world better, pray for sunny weather. It's time to let go, if you're in an ego, stand by my side, my brothers, come on and let's go. To a higher ground, where peace and love is found. Storms are rolling, we coming, we ain't gon' back down. We ain't gon' back down. We ain't gon' back down.
Oh, 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 freedom, be free. And I will say, oh, 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 I'll fight for you and me. And I will say, oh, 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 God made me free. And I will say, oh, 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 ain't nobody gonna take that from me.
We ain't gon' back down.
Gathered here with my family, my neighbors and my friends, standing firm together against oppression, holding hands. It doesn't matter where you're from, or if you're young or woman or man, we're here for the same reason. We want to take back our land. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, calling you for freedom, freedom. You know you can hear our call. Oh, oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. We know you won't let us fall. Oh, oh, we know you're here with us. No more being prisoners in our homes, no more being afraid to talk. Our dream is just to be free, just to be free. Now when we've taken our first step towards a life of complete freedom, we can see our dream getting closer and closer. We're almost there. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, calling you for freedom, freedom. We know you can hear our call. Oh, oh, we're back enough. Oh God, we know you hear our call, and we're calling you for freedom, freedom. Know you can hear our call. Oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. We know you won't let us fall. Oh, we're calling for freedom, freedom. We know you can hear our call. Oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. We know you won't let us fall. Oh, we know you're here with us.
Oh jiwa-jiwa kami, untukmu darah kami, untukmu jiwa dan darah kami, wahai Al-Aqsa tercinta. Untukmu jiwa-jiwa kami, untukmu darah kami, untukmu jiwa dan darah kami, wahai Al-Aqsa tercinta. Kami akan berjuang demi kebangkitan Islam. Kami rela berkorban demi Islam yang mulia. Untukmu Palestina tercinta, kami penuhi panggilanmu. Untukmu Al-Aqsa yang mulia, kami kan terus bersamamu. Untukmu Palestina tercinta, kami penuhi panggilanmu. Untukmu Al-Aqsa yang mulia, kami kan terus bersamamu. Kami akan berjuang demi kebangkitan Islam. Kami rela berkorban demi
تقدم زلزل زلزلة وزلزل زلزلة قم زلزل زلزلة
Bagi merawat duka saudara kita yang pedih. Dari jauh kedengaran suara merincing. Ayah-ayah dibunuh, disembelih, ibu-ibu dinoda, diperkosa, anak-anak kecil terbunuh tanpa dosa. Kami